Tea time. Cersei, me donkey weed that I might. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Tea Time with Lady Let's. It's time for us to take that journey. Come along! Are you taking care of your heart? I know a bush that can help. Do you know the name of this herb?
I don't know enough. I always pass it and see it, but I don't know what bush is that.
You don't know what this is?
No,
Smell it.
it smells weird.
Weird?
Mhm.
That's it, this bush is called Search My Heart.
Okay,
What I want you to do is watch the time and then you will learn more about it.
okay.
Mhm. The Search My Heart, aka Art Bush, is one of Jamaican's herb. Do you know anything about this bush? Did you know that this plant only grow in Jamaica? It's our treasure, people. I know you may be wondering what the benefits are. Listen, no joke. This herb can help you with heart conditions, lungs conditions such as asthma, and even with mucus congestions, hand, chest pain, cold and flu, ladies, menstrual cramps. It will cleanse your blood and it is also used for joint pain. It's a wild plant in Jamaica. Maybe it's in your backyard. Go and go look now. The leaves are very soft and has a cotton-like touch to them, like maybe the paper towel. Don't wait for your heart to get bad. Drink a cup of Search My Heart tea, healthy heart. Let's drink together. I placed the bush in the sun for 2 days to quail. And now I think it's time for me to use them. I guess it's ready. So it's time for me to rinse my leaves off. Today I'm using 6 because it's 2 of us. Rinse, 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 rinse. Rinse, 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 rinse. And I'm gonna put it right into the kettle to boil for 5 minutes. Time to serve. Pour, pour, pour. That aroma. Smells so good. You can sweeten with milk or you can sweeten with sugar, honey, or you can do without. But I choose my sugar today. Cheers on. Not at all. I'm not gonna stay home every day and bake. We are going to walk. Let's go to the farm. Thank you, farmers. It is time for meditation. Our meditation for today comes from 1 Peter 2, verse 21. For you have been called for this purpose, since Christ also suffered for you, leaving you an example for you to follow in his steps. We are called to live like Christ, right? Let us stand for the same things Jesus Christ stood for. It is time for us to examine our actions. Jesus Christ loved people and did not discriminate against them. He was humble, merciful, and was doing his Father's work. Yeah, he suffered, was persecuted. We ought to also love people so we can preach the gospel to them, show them compassion, minister to their needs, and be focused on what God has called us to do. We should also bear in mind that Jesus Christ was persecuted and even suffered unto death on the cross. We will also suffer for his name's sake. It is a test that we will all go through to prove our love for him. Let us try and pass this test. Be an overcomer.
Tea time. Cersei, me man donkey weed, that's a my time. Guinea and weed and dandelion. Drink up, natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bush me good for your blood and it. Tea time. Cersei, me man donkey weed, that's a my time. Guinea and weed and dandelion. Drink up, natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bush me good for your blood and hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time with Lacey and tea time. Cersei, me man donkey weed, that's a my time. Guinea and weed and dandelion. Drink up, natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bush me good for your blood and hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time with Lacey and tea time. Cersei, me man donkey weed, that's a my time. Guinea and weed and dandelion. Drink up,
Share,
natural
like,
herbs pouring
subscribe,
a
leave a
my cup.
comment.
Bush me good for your blood